Hey guys, back at the farm today. As you can tell, winter decided to show its face again. It's pretty cold actually, it's around like 18 degrees. But yeah, today goal, being that it's so cold, I'm gonna try to get up there and do some land clearing. Take advantage of this cold weather because it really firms up the dirt so I won't be making it all muddy. But yeah, whole goal is eventually to open up a bunch of these fields again. Practice right now on this like little field area, see what we can do. If you guys like this stuff, please subscribe. Well, had a little bit of an incident. Honestly, it wasn't on that bad of ground. The boom was just a little extended. I was spinning around and just lost balance. And I caught it. It was like halfway, but I was like already slid all halfway over, and when I tried to maneuver to push it back, it just went. So, gotta figure out what to do. Get this thing back up again. Always in the day. Guys, next day here. Still trying to deal with this. Yeah, unfortunately, we weren't really able to find a tow company yet to come up here. We gotta get this thing flipped up right. Have a local farmer, neighbor basically, that's coming by. He's got a big tractor. He's gonna see if he can kind of winch it up. And yeah, it sucks. Wish it didn't happen, but could have been a lot worse. But yeah, I'll keep you guys along for the whole recovery. See what happens. Well, that's been a day, let me say that. Getting that thing upright was quite an experience. It was pretty hard to find people to come up here, honestly, but beautiful day otherwise. But yeah, machine luckily nothing was damaged up top, so it's just topping off some fluids. We can come down and inspect it on Monday, just to be safe. But yeah, that was an experience. Well, I'll keep following. I'll keep you guys updated with how this goes, and hopefully there is no damage that I'm not worried about. But as always, please subscribe. Follow along. Appreciate all the help, and keep posting more videos. Thank you.